Nathan, what are you doing? Are you feeding yourself? Are you learning how to eat on your own? Yeah, you are. Are you not hungry anymore? Are you not hungry anymore? Nathan, Nathan, Nathan. Yeah? Big handful. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Spanish rice. Keeps on forgetting which end of the spoon to grab. You can't scoop with the handle, sweetheart. You can't, it don't work. Definitely has to have a bath after this. What you thinking about? Very focused, Nathan. Are you going to talk to Mama at all? Want to talk to Mama? What? I don't know what that is. Yeah? How many teeth do you have? Do you have 12 teeth? Yeah, you do. You have 12 teeth. Yeah? You love to talk to Mama. Yeah, you do. Loves to talk to Mama. Loves eating. Oh, what happened? You want to flip that over, don't ya? When he's finished eating, he likes to flip the tray over. Even if it has food on it. Okay, we better stop because he's going to make a big mess. Yeah. You're trying to give Mama food, aren't you? Okay. Say bye-bye, Nathan. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No bye-byes?